Hello, and welcome to a Crafter Story. This is Celeste here again. So I have been collecting my TP rolls, my toilet. You know those little round pieces of the little tubes that you get inside your toilet paper roll. And I commissioned the whole family and said, don't throw them away, I want them. And they were so nice to me. Everybody, I would walk into my craft area and there'd be like this row of 3 little teepee rolls, which was funny and wonderful and supportive and of them. It became the joke of our home. So I'm now well stocked with teepee rolls, just so you know. Oh goodness me, the life of a crafter, right? Anyway, what I've been doing with them is making these little mini journals, or the covers of the mini journals. Let me rather be specific. It's the perfect size to make a cover with. And so here are just 4 examples of covers that I've made and then turned into mini journals. And I thought it would be fun if we could make one together. So I'm going to move these little gems aside. See the cute little things, some nice accents. They really are sweet little journals that honestly you could give as gifts to just about anyone, from a teacher to a friend to a family member, to somebody, to a colleague. They're nice little pocket journals, nice little journals to put in your handbag, in a junk journal, anywhere. Nice little stocking stuffers at the holidays. So they just really are nice little gifts, nice little things to make. Okay, so we've put that aside. Let me show you how we get started. The first thing you're going to do is, now if I was that way inclined, and I'm not, I would come in here with a craft knife and a ruler and I'd cut it straight, but not going to do that because I very rarely plan or measure. I'm just going to come in here, pull up tight so I get somewhat of a straight line. I'm just going to cut it loose, and that is the start of the cover for our journal. Now just for time, I did go ahead and pre-cut the cover, and I chose this really gorgeous rose pattern that I'm going to flip across, and that is going to be the outside of our cover. So get my handy dandy glue stick, and I do like the extra strength. I think I've mentioned this quite a few times in videos, and honestly you can use the other glue sticks as well. There is no reason why you can't, but I do like to use this one because over time it just seems to last, whereas with the washable glue sticks, they start to peel on me over time, and I don't know why this one doesn't. All right, so we're going to go somewhat down the middle, get that nice and nicely pushed down, and stay down you. I'm going to just hold that, cut the corner, cut. And I'm pretty sure there's an easier way to do this, and I am always open to suggestions. You guys, please, if you have any suggestions for anything I ever do, I love to hear, I love to learn, and so please don't feel like I'd be offended. Quite the opposite. I'd be super happy to hear if I'm doing something the hard way and there's an easier way. I would love to know. Okay, so scoot that guy across, scoot this honey bunny over. All right, and our cover is halfway made. Alrighty, okay, go down, squish him a bit, get that really nice and glued down. I think that should do it. And again, I just went ahead. Now, I guess you must get different sizes of these cardboard rolls, these inners for the toilet rolls. This one, in just for interest sake, was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.25 wide. And so when I cut this outside piece, I just added maybe half an inch this way, half an inch that way, and same for the up and down, just so that I could fold it over. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and a bit, almost a quarter, same for here. It's probably closer to 4. All right, so when it comes to now the inside, you don't want it quite as big, because you just really want to cover, this empty space and the joints here. And so you're going to cut it quite a bit smaller. Let's see, what did I do? I did, instead of it being 5.25, I did 4 3/4 inch there. And then instead of here being, say, 4.25, I did 3 3/4. Excuse me. And that's just so that you can fit it inside. This is very, very much like a regular journal, you guys. We're just doing it in miniature form, and we're using the toilet roll as a, I guess, just as the base, as the strength for the cover. And it's already cut, it's already folded. All you're doing is you're snipping it down the side and opening it up, and then you can craft and stick and do all this. Oh dear, what have I done here? Oh man, look at the mess I'm making. Glue everywhere. That's okay. All right, so get this guy down pretty much in the middle. There we go. All right, and the cover is complete. It's quick. That's what I love about this. I really love that it's quick, that it's easy, that the TP roll gives you that base to work from. And now I'm just going to kind of fold it over and get it to where it really does look. Now let's see what oh dear, look what I did there. No, don't do that. Let's see if I can. There we go. That has some real sturdiness to it. That's awesome. Oh my goodness, I love that. Okay, okie dokie. So I think that would be the front, because those, yeah, that's the front over there. Now with the inside little pages, similarly to, in fact, you can probably make it the same size if you're looking to create a template of any kind. Make the inside signature pages, when you fold them open, about the same size as this piece that you put on the inside of your cover, because that way the pages won't stick out, Okay, so I did do that. I went ahead and I pre-cut everything, roughly speaking, the same size as the inner. Now, this is always the tricky part for me. And the part that I enjoy less than everything else, because it's a little finicky. But I have 8 little sheets, and I did fold them to give myself a fold. Now I'm going to staple them together, and depending on the stapler that you have, the overbite, so this doesn't, oh man, this won't open for me. The overbite is the area that protrudes past where the staple comes out. You need to kind of, it's going to be trial and error, because you don't know until you've tried with, oh, look what I've done. You're not going to know until you have practiced with your stapler as to which, sorry you guys, I went and messed up. Let me see. Okay, you're gonna have to, it's trial and error to get the staple in the middle. I think that's the short story of what I'm trying to say. So I think I've got this. Yes. Oh, yeah. I did it after all that rigmarole. So once you have the staple as close to the middle in the fold as you possibly can, you are ready to come in and add it to the cover. So I have a very large, sort of heavy duty stapler that I've been using with some of my some of these other little journals, and it is an investment. I understand not everybody's going to have one. They're really not that expensive, but I was able with this one to come in here and just go straight through the paper, the cover, the whole lot. I did that with this one, and it was so much quicker than trying to sew the signature pages into the cover. But I know that not everybody's stapler is going to be strong enough. Not everybody will have a heavy duty one like this. If this is something you're going to do a lot of, it is an investment, but it's worth it, you guys. But if you don't have one, this is my trick. So we've stapled the pages together so they're not going to move. That's a good thing, right? You're not going to run away from us. No, no, no. Okay, so we've got that in place. It's more or less where we want it, sort of equidistant on the sides. Hold that down. So you stay. Now I'm going to use my awl or any pointy tool, anything, sharp knitting needle, very large. You know, sometimes in the dollar store you can even get little pointy oh man, my brain, screwdrivers. So anyway, we have an awl, so I'm just going to go straight through. There you go. And I'm going to go so it's about the same, yeah, straight, yowza, straight through. And now this is where you can use whatever you like. You can use twine, wax thread. I'm going to try and I'm going to try and use this fabric, which I've oh man, I don't know if I should have brought pliers with me to pull it up, pull it through. Oh no, I'm through. Okay, I was a little worried. Okay, okay, it worked. I've got strength. Oh wait, maybe I shouldn't say that till I'm okay. I'm both sides. Whew, okay, that one worked. So I wanted to come this way and not. I didn't want to start in the back. I didn't want to start and threading it where I'm going that way back out and back in here and then tying it off in the middle, because the knot in the middle, it doesn't look nice. I did that with this one and it's a mess. I don't like it. It's not nice. I try to glue it down. It's just So learned my lesson. You come from the outside in, back through your second hole, out. And then if you've got something nice and decorative like this linen, when you tie it off, you can add a dangle, you can do a little bow, which I think I'll do because I think the fabric will make a nice little bow for the end here. Yes, oh look at that. I like that. Oh, that is so cute. All right, so excuse me. Oh, that's the front. Yep, nope, that's the front. So now, if you wanted to, you can always maybe glue down. I think I might actually do that. Glue down these two ends, because then it looks like they don't flop around. It kind of, I don't know. It just looks nice. So I'm gonna do that. No, don't you fall on me. Don't you get that away. I think that is just gorgeous. I really like this. Okay, so I've got that pasted down, and there you go. You've made a little mini journal from a DP roll, and it's a really nice way to use up some of your scrap papers as well. Maybe some of your scrap ribbon or anything that you've got lying around that you don't want to throw away or that you don't want to use in a collage. I think will look really, really nice when you use it on these smaller projects. I think one more little thing that might look really, oh no, actually two more little things that I think would look really nice on here is, maybe I should give it a little dollop of extra. Little dollop of extra glue. Where should we go? Should we go up here? Down there? You know what? I think we should go down here, and then later on, if I want to personalize this, I have some space to put some words here. I think that would be nice. Yes. Thank you for helping me make that decision. Where is? Oh, here it is. We make a great team. So I am going to age up the little edges here, and I probably should have done that before I put the ribbon in. I get so excited. I get ahead of myself. Can't help it. I try really hard to stay organized, and then I go off and just, what if I do this? What if I do that? Oh, this will look nice. That'll look nice. And then, but somehow, it always seems to work out. And there is no rule. There are no rules, shall I say. There are no rules. And I just love junk journaling. I love ephemera. I think it's one of those very free art forms where whatever you do is going to look nice, because when something's old, it's not supposed to be perfect, and perfection is an illusion. And so we are done, you guys. How gorgeous is that? Hey, from a teepee roll? Who would have thought? Well, I guess we did, because we made them. All right, so let me bring the others out and let me show you all these beautiful, beautiful little, what should we call these? Should we call them teepee journals? No, we'll just call them mini journals, and they are beautiful. And I think this one needs a bit of work. Could do something on the front there. These guys look nice. I really love them. I think this one could do with a little bit of writing down the side to personalize it. And yeah, I think they're gorgeous. Thank you so much for visiting with me, and I always appreciate your time. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.